Welcome to CoinViewCap, CVC. Today we'll be going over their official page as well as what utilities they have to offer. And if you guys stick around to the end of the video, we'll go over their official Twitter page. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's dive right in. As we can see, CVC has been listed on XT.com, which that is huge right there. Shout out to the whole community. I'm sure they're pumped up about that. We have a 1 quadrillion total supply, 5% marketing and development, 3% to the liquidity pool, and 1% reflections, okay, to the holders. About the CVC, CoinViewCap token, of course. CoinViewCap uses a static reward system, which means that any transaction involving these tokens will occur fees. A percentage will go into the liquidity pool for every transaction, and another percentage will be allocated among the holders. CoinViewCap CVC has an intrinsic value and are designed to encourage a hold and earn approach, thereby reducing selling pressure. A reflection mechanism is executed throughout smart contracts, automating distribution across holders and liquidity pools, which is very important, right? We got CoinViewCap CVC is a stealth launch DeFi token programmed to reward 1% in reflections back to the holders and protect the small investors from whale manipulation, okay? The tokenomics, we went over them a little bit already, but just again, 5% marketing, 3% LP, and at 1% to the holders. This is a ERC20 token, and the token name is, of course, CoinViewCap. We got the symbol CVC and the total supply. Now, this is something that's epic, and we know this because they're tapped in with Shinobi, right? And they've been listed on the Dojo Swap as well, besides just XT.com and other exchanges they've been listed on. But this BSC tokenomics coming soon. I know this is because of our bridge. This is going to be huge, not just for Shinobi, but as well as CVC token. And I like that we're rubbing elbows with the right people. Okay, this is the supply. We have that. This roadmap is very impressive. I like this a lot. We got audit by Certic, KYC, so everything's good. Like I said, Dojo Swap listing. That was epic. That XT.com. We got BKEX listing coming next. 5,000 holders coming next. And this is exactly what we're talking about. Staking is something that I heard in the Telegram recently. The BNB presale, the BSC bridge. This is huge news coming up right here, which is very bullish news. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm only bringing financial awareness, all right? But let's look at this utility now. This utility gets me pumped up because I think this is something that the space needs. Not relying on some of the big names and making some of our own little names that eventually become big names. And let's go ahead and use it. You know, let's go ahead and use this utility and type in Shinobi. And I like how they got it set up. I like this a lot. And they do have a nighttime mode. Perfect. That's perfect for me. But let's go ahead and hit the nighttime mode. So if you like a dark mode, that's very nice. If you like the dark theme like I do. And I like that they have the latest news of Shinobi up here. You know, the L Bank listing, Shinobi Gaming coming out, the Dojo Swap being unveiled. The token jumps 45%. So there's some news being incorporated with their website. And I really like this utility. And I'm going to start to use it on my channel and support this. I think this would be a good time for you guys, the CVC community, to go ahead and load up the comments down below and let everybody else know why you guys are also bullish on it. And like that, they can see why I'm going to start using CoinViewCap instead of some other websites. All right. Now let's go ahead and go to their official Twitter page. Make sure that you guys give them a follow if you guys are interested. Make sure the bell notification is lit up if you're part of the community. Like that, you guys do not miss out on any latest news that they have coming out. Also, I have their official Telegram links and whatnot in the description down below. But make sure you guys come over here, give them a like and retweet this. We can get these numbers a lot higher over here. Way higher than 40, way more than 21. I already came over here, liked and retweet everything. Let's go ahead and share the love, show them some love, and go ahead and take this time to make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. Like that, you guys do not miss out on any daily content that I'm putting out about CVC or any other tokens that you guys might be hyped about, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.